First part of the line is the stunning. The pigs come from there. They are hoisted up in this system and hang on the bleeding conveyor up there. And they are bleeding. Bleeding here. From the bleeding they come here on this hoisted arm, articulated arm. They hang and are put in the scalding dehairing unit. Once they are ready after dehairing, they will be pushed manually with this arm onto this table. Once on this reception table, they will be scraped to remove the final hair, and this articulated arm will come down and they will be put on the gambrel. Then the arm or the hoist that will lift them up again to make them come on the dressing conveyor. Okay, after being split, the gambrel will move to the cold room with the gambrel with the carcass will move to the cold room, and anything can be selected. We have manual switches. After cold room, they go to the expedition. Selection to go to be taken out directly or weighing.